just concluded our first day here in a two-day seminar, factory seminar, where we invited guests from all across Europe to come and see our production line, to hear our presentations about how to build modular, how you can benefit from using modular construction for mainly hotels, build-to-rent schemes, residential apartments, student accommodation. We invited over 65 guests from across Europe. They all came, they are all happy. We are going to have dinner now, and they look forward for tomorrow's visit in the factory. So if you're interested to learn more about modular construction and about Forta PRO, please visit fortapro.com, and we look forward to seeing you in our future event. Thank you.